guys, welcome back to my channel.
You know you like that.
Shout out to my new subscribers. Hi, welcome to the family, and I hope guys you are enjoying my consistency. And we have a new backdrop. I'm working on a studio. It's under construction. Once it's done, you'll be the first people to know about it. Yeah, so foundation that I use on myself, and when I'm looking down, it's because I've written what I've observed. I'm going to talk about my favorites. NARS. It gives you a full coverage. It's a long wear foundation. You don't need to use a lot of products. It has a thin, a lightweight kind of feeling, and you need to shake before you use, by the way. And then it makes you look so natural. I'm going to talk about ESTEE LAUDER. It has SPF. It has a double wear. It's a double wear foundation. It's semi-matte foundation. It's not full coverage. If you're looking for a not full coverage foundation, this is for you. It's called ESTEE LAUDER double wear, and I wear Alban for C2. Guys, this is my favorite of all. This one, it's Kat Von D Locked Foundation. This one, I have a lot to talk about it. This has a beautiful smooth finish. It's full coverage and glowy finish. It's waterproof. You don't need touch-ups. The transfer and the resistance goes to up to 24 hours, you know. Yeah, so this one I can recommend. I was recommended by my friend 2 years ago, and since up to date, it's been one of my favorites. You can never go wrong with this Kat Von D. I wear medium neutral number 58. If you happen not to subscribe to my channel, I don't know what you're waiting for. The link is below there, and it's free of charge. Go support your girl. Hey, to talk about MAC foundation. This one makes you look like a doll, a human doll, you know. Yeah, so it's full coverage when used like 3 pumps. Flawless look. It's long wear and no touch-ups needed. Is almost finished. It's Makeup Forever foundation. This one, it hydrates your skin. It's waterproof. It's good for pictures. If you happen to attend any event and you need the natural look, I advise you go for this one. This Makeup Forever. It's super. It gives you a flawless look. Yeah, it's long lasting. It stays up to 24 hours. It's written also there. I wear number Y415. Next one, we're going to talk about DIOR. This one first and foremost is not full coverage, but it's good for the body and face. You know, most of the people, they tend to apply foundation on their legs also. Yeah, you didn't know, but now you know. And it's waterproof as well, and it delivers a flawless complexion. Also, whether the foundation has SPF or not, you need to apply SPF under your skin. Everything can work out for every single person. So before you purchase anything, I recommend that you have a tester at the stores. Are 50 USD. It depends on where you purchase them. The video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.